What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got something a little bit different. We're going to do an actual unbox package I just received. This one is not a model, but it is a car, and I will be painting it. So we're going to open up this package, paquete, and see what's inside. All of a sudden, right away, I can see popcorn. Yay, not fun. So we'll go ahead and take that off cam and dump that into something so it won't be an absolute nightmare to clean up. I cannot stand this stuff. So popcorn into a bucket, and out came the package. Get this excess out and bring out what we got. Ooh, yeah, it's a die cast. It's my first one. Been kind of messing around with the idea of getting one of these, and I finally pulled the trigger on it. So let's go ahead and get it out of the box. See how this thing is held in there. I'm hoping that I can, I'd like to keep the box for one thing. I don't want to damage it too much. Keep it for shipping, maybe? I don't know. Well, there goes that idea. Okay, well, let's rip into it. Let's rip into it. Ooh. That neato comes with a little background, a little diorama setting. I mean, I won't be using that, but, you know, neat, whatever. Looks pretty clean. Everything's solid, not broken or anything. So I'm hoping is that I'll be able to paint this to match my car, my daily. Really? How's that come out of there? Interesting. Well, again, real unbox, not a what's in the box. You're gonna actually opening this with you. And my pain, ow, is your pain. Just kidding. I keyed. Whoa, wobbly camera. Earthquake. Yeah, you know, neat diorama, but won't be using it. Just get it out of there. How's this thing? It's got screws. Okay, well, let's see. I happen to have a screwdriver here. Borrowed it from this guy named Stanley. It's a little bit overkill for this application. It's huge. Kind of needed a micro driver for this, but whatever. There's one. Isn't this fun? Watching me unscrew screws? Screw you. More wobbly camera just for you. Screwed in there. Interesting. Again, this is my first die cast. Probably should have taken a little bit more care to what it was sitting on when I started to unscrew it. But, oh, okay. Well, there we go. So, yeah, I don't know, whatever. We may or may not use that. We'll just set it off to the side in the circular file. I'm hoping that I can take the push bar off. Probably sand it and tape it and repaint it in the blue that my car is. Let's cut these bands off. Supposedly things open. Yeah, see, look right there. There's one. The hood opens up. Shows that 4.6 modular V8. Oh, whopping 100 and something horsepower. Oh, it's a little scratched on the window. No, it just cleaned off. That's fine. Doors open. Neato. Oh, look, there's a little shotgun in there. Computer. Some radio equipment. Kind of wish it would have came in blue, but you know, whatever. Again, I may or may not paint it. Trunk doesn't open, or does it? No, doesn't look like the trunk opens. The hood does. Hood and the doors. Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. Pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I don't know if the camera will pick up those details or not. I can take it off its tripod and get a little closer of a shot. But I can see it's got some pretty nice details on the dash. Emblems. Not sure what year this is supposed to depict. Mine's a 02, but the body style stayed the same from the beginning of this whale body style up to the end of production. I don't know the exact years, but I mean, I'm sure I could find out pretty easily. Some decent details underneath, you know, a little bit of paint, pull that out. Probably get rid of that screw stand. And there you have it. Pretty cool. Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. Doing donuts. Pa-over. Pa-over. Got dual spotlights that, those seem kind of hokey. And kind of goobery, too. Those look like that'll be the first thing it'll break. And if I don't stop messing with it, it probably will break not as fast. Tires are a little scuffed up. You know, again, I'm thinking about trying to replicate my car with this. Or, you know what, maybe I'll just go buy a white one. I was going to say if I win the lottery, I was going to buy one of these for every day of the week. Best car I've ever owned. And there you go. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. And we'll see you in the next one.